Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk about the NPTEL syllabus for the course The Joy of Computing Using Python. So guys, I will discuss the details about the score and how a score is going to calculate for your assignment as well as examination, and what types of question will be expected, how long you have to write, and what the remaining types of the certificate you will get, and even how you can go for a star certificate or domain certificate. Each and every detail I will discuss in the video, so please keep on watching the whole video without skip. I have already completed 13 NPTEL courses and secured 3 NPTEL star certificates, so I am much more familiar with NPTEL platform, and I hope I can give you my best and help you to get ready and prepare for the examination in the better way to secure the more strong certificate. Okay guys, so now let's get started. So I hope already you know about this thing. So let me first fix out the screen, and then after I will keep on continuing. Here you can see here some of text is not visible here. So let me make it, and then after I will describe each and every point. So guys, now let's get started. I don't go for any irrelevant details. Let me discuss being specific to the course. So already I have provided how to register NPTEL examination video. So if you have not yet registered, I will provide those both video link in video description, so you can go and refer. I have provided one videos brief video and one more details video. So based on your times, you watch those video and get registered for NPTEL examination. So now coming to the syllabus. So let me first discuss about this course. So this is the elective course and 12-week course, guys. So this is the 12-week course, guys. I hope you are well aware about it. And even this is going to be the one of the programming course. Every week you are getting the programming assignment as well as quiz assignment. Okay guys, and the exam will held for this exam course is 19 December 2020, guys. Okay, so I hope you are aware about it. And out of the 12 week, how score will be calculated, let me discuss it first. So already now week 5 is live, and within 1 or 2 days the week 6 will be live. So far our score is 100 out of 100 except week 1, that is 80% in week 1. So guys, in this course the assignment score is going to be 25. For all NPTEL courses, the assignment score is 25 except some courses like an introduction to programming in C++. There actually assignment score is 50. But here the 25, and the exam is going to be held at center of this 25 score. And the exam date is, I again repeat, December 19. So please note the date. And regarding the assignment score, so as usual, I hope you are aware about it. So this is 12-week course. So NPTEL is going to pick 8 best week of your assignment, and they are going to calculate the average percentage. Like there is programming and quiz assignment every week. So NPTEL is not going to select 8 best programming week score and then after separately 8 week quiz based. No guys, they will calculate the average of programming and quiz assignment score. Like if you score 80%, like in first week we have a score like 80% in quiz and 100 out of 100 in the programming, all 3 programming. So in programming our average score is 100%, and in quiz our average score is 80. So what is average score of this week? So the average week score of this week is going to be 100 plus 80 by 2. So there is like 90% score we are securing in the week 1. But coming to week 2, our quiz plus programming assignment score is 100 out of 100. So average score is going to be 100. So this way NPTEL will calculate the average score for each week, and then after they are going to pick your highest score at week. Like they will arrange descending order, highest score to lowest score your week, and from top they will pick 8 week. Okay guys, and how they are going to again differentiate between the quiz and your like programming assignment score. So for quiz you are going to get the score like 12.5. Okay guys, 12.5 score, half of the 25 the assignment score, and again the next half is going to be allocated towards the programming assignment. So this way it's make the 25 score. So NPTEL is going to give you 25 score including both. Okay guys, I hope I am quite clear with the things. If you are looking for more clarity, feel free to ping me or call me. You can get my number in video description as well as in comment section. So then after coming to the 8 best week, they will pick, and then after they will give you the score for it. So if this is 12-week course, even you are solving just 8 week, and you are securing 100% out of 100 in each and every week, then you are going to get 25 out of 25 score in this assignment. You need not to worry about even you have skipped 1 or 2 or missed 1 or 2 week assignment. And even you are doing like 6-week assignment and skipping 6-week assignment, still if you meet the one criteria, you are able to appear for the examination. What is the criteria? Let me discuss. So out of 25 score, you must score 10 score. At least 10 score you have to score out of 25 in the assignment. So this is must necessary that please you go and calculate your every week assignment score and see if your score is less than 10, then please you do work and try to complete all those coming assignment and secure the better score. And if your score is more than 10%, definitely this is happy news. And guys, even I am providing solution for these courses this semester and even 6 more courses. So you can go and check the playlist or the video description or the comment section for detail of the course. So if you follow my answer, definitely you are going to get more than 94% in on average score from the assignment. Okay, so I hope if you are following my answer, then definitely you are going to get at least 24 score out of 25 in the assignment. And if you really like my work, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I am getting good number of views, but not a subscriber as expected. So I need your support. Please, you subscribe the channel and support me. You need not to pay anything to subscribe the channel. So I hope you will subscribe and support me. And now guys, coming to the hall ticket dates. So I already mentioned 19th December 19th is the exam date, and the exam registration last date you can go and check it out. So I think November 2 is the last date for the exam registration, and even the cancellation of examination. I have explained this regarding registration and last date in the registration video, how to register NPTEL examination. Please go through that. And you will get your certificate like hall ticket for this examination 1 or 2 weeks period for the date of examination. So like expected date like December 7 to 15 or 18, you will get your hall ticket. You have to take your print out. If you can, then take the color print. If not, then take black and white print, no problem, but your photo and those all written text must be clearly visible. And carry your Aadhaar card or the PAN card or your voter ID, any valid government proof, or your college ID while you are appearing for the examination. Well, so let me discuss about the 75 score which you are going to attempt at the center. So sometime in previous semester, even NPTEL has provided 2 different criteria, 2 different evaluation strategy regarding 75 score. So this is also one type of programming examination. Due to COVID-19, maybe NPTEL will not conduct online programming test. That is called unprotected programming test for any of the programming courses. If NPTEL will conduct those examination, NPTEL will soon announce regarding those things. If NPTEL will post in announcement session regarding detailed syllabus. So if NPTEL is going to conduct unprotected programming examination, then definitely NPTEL is going to allocate 25 again 25 score for that, and you can write those examination from your home. So please wait for that. If any updates come regarding that, I will definitely discuss on that. And at this time, please don't just suppose that NPTEL is not going to conduct unprotected programming test. So you have to just go on center and write the 75 score examination. So coming to center, when you go for the center, NPTEL will conduct examination for 100 score, not 75 score. They will conduct examination for 100 score, and then after they reduced to the 25 score. If NPTEL will conduct online programming test, online unprotected programming test, then those 100% will reduce to 50%, and then after calculate. If NPTEL will not conduct unprotected programming test, then 75 score will be your final examination score. So they will reduce 100% to 75%. Okay, and then after your score will be evaluated. So those examination will be happen on the 2 slot, in morning slot, forenoon slot, and afternoon slot. So you can select either of this slot, and even you can select your center, nearby center, and those examination is going to held for 3 hours. So after 1 hour you can leave your center, and like a 30-minute delay, up to 30-minute delay you are allowed to enter in the center. So those all details you will find on the hall ticket once you get the hall ticket, guys. So don't get panic, and even when hall ticket will release, I will show you how to download the hall ticket and what is the necessary. So those all things I will discuss. So coming to again the 75 score, which that is 100% they will conduct, but the final examination score is just 75. They will reduce to 75, but while you are attempting on the center, that will be 100. So in that you have to score at least 30 score out of 70 to meet the certificate requirement. If you fail to score 30 score out of 75, then definitely NPTEL is not going to provide you any certificate or any software. But again, your college local chapter is interested to conduct their own examination and issue certificate from college, then that will be considered as a soft examination from NPTEL. But NPTEL again in that case not issue any certificate. So your college will issue. So don't get panic, guys. This is the simple. You can secure the better if you follow my tips and go for the examination. I have experience of writing 6 examination in a semester, so I have well planned about it, and I hope it is going to help you. So out of like let me consider 25 as 100% for the center examination. So out of that 100%, you can expect 40%. Actually, you get the very easy question. Very easy question means you will get those all question, almost the same question from your assignment, all those 12-week assignment. So in this case, guys, please go through all the lecture and read out all those assignment solution. So you can find those all solution here. So at down you can see somewhere here not mentioned, soon NPTEL will mention detailed solution. So you can download the solution, or you can go and visit like week 1 assignment, and you can check what are the wrong bits, what are the right bit, and what will be the answer. Go and revise all those quiz assignment answer as well as programming assignment and recollect. So out from there you are going to ask 40% questions in the examination, and then after next 40% is going to be asked medium type question. So that we will get like some twisted question and most probably you will get those questions from previous, like 4 5 semester previous, like last semester, even the previous semester, then after the previous semester, like that. Previous semester assignment question will be there directly. So I will also provide those paper very soon, those assignment solutions soon, so you can go and read it out, so you can easily score that next 40 you can also crack. So now it's 40 plus 40, 40 easy and 40 medium, max 80%, and then after the 20%. So those 20% is very conceptual, guys. So those questions will be asked from the lecture itself. So for that, guys, you have to do a little bit work, and you have to go through the lecture thoroughly, and then after you can solve that and you can write the examination. Well, guys, so I hope you are able to understand what types of question will come, and regarding details, what types of how many question will be asked. So time to time NPTEL used to modify that syllabus. So once NPTEL will announce the formal uh, syllabus, then also I will provide one small video, so you can go through that. But in like in just briefly, I have shared the details how NPTEL syllabus is going to be. So guys, don't get low, don't feel you are unable to crack the examination. Lots of learners are cracking the examination. You need not to be extraordinary to crack the NPTEL examination. So really, if you follow my strategy, you can do better in examination and secure better score. So I again repeat, 40% from assignment, 40% from previous assignment, and 20% from lecture. Like you have to go through lecture and understand the concept. And you may be asking, is they are asking to write any code? So so far as I have experience of writing 13 NPTEL examination, NPTEL will never ask you write the code. NPTEL will definitely give the code, and they will ask you to like track back the code and type the output. Sometimes select the output from multiple choice, and sometimes you have to manually type the output. So those types of bit you will get. So don't worry, guys, definitely you can do your best. And let me discuss about even you are securing more than there is actually coming to the NPTEL syllabus. If you secured 40 or more than 40 score, then you are eligible to get the certificate. Well, so where is okay. So in average, after addition of your uh, assignment score as well as final examination score, if your score is 40 or more than 40, you will get the certificate. But still, guys, here you will not get certificate even you are securing like 75 plus 9. So how much this score is, guys? 84. So even you are securing 85 score, 84 score, you are not going to get the certificate. How, guys? So I again repeat, guys, at least you must score 10 in the assignment which you are getting weekly. So even you are securing 75 out of 75 in final examination and 9 score in the assignment, you are unable to secure 10 score in the assignment, then your 25 plus 9 is 84. But still you are not going to get the certificate because you are not meeting the assignment score category. I hope I am very clear. And again, the next condition, even you are going to score 25 plus 29. How much this is? 25 plus 29. So that is 30, 54. So even you are going to get 54 score, but you are not going to get the NPTEL. How, guys? So you are going to secure 25 out of 25 in the assignment, weekly assignment. And in the final examination, you are just going to get 29 score. So 29 plus 25, this is 54. And here you are failing to meet the second category. That at least you have to secure 30 score in the final examination. So here you are not going to get the certificate if you tell the condition. Okay guys, so I hope you have enough with. Still there is 7 weeks pending. So if you go with those 7 weeks, if you follow my solution also, and if you have done some solution, definitely you are going to get at least 24 score in the assignment. And to pass the final examination, at least you have to secure 30 score. So 24 plus 30, 54 score you will get simply to just pass the examination if you follow my solution. And on 54, you definitely you are going to get the certificate. Even if you scored 10 scored in assignment and just 30 scored in the final examination, you will get certificate. So I hope I am very clear. And guys, if you do a little bit work, then you are going to get the NPTEL Elite certificate. So NPTEL is providing certificate, 4 types of certificate for you. So let me log in that page, and then after I will come back. So I am going to pause this video, and then after I am opening the certificate, and I will show you what criteria NPTEL is deciding and what type of certificate you will get. So guys, now I am going to show you the eligibility criteria to get the certificate, what type of certificate you will get. This is different course I have completed. So just for sample, I am showing you for your reference. So you can see here very clearly, you have to score at least 10 score in the assignment and 30 score in the final examination. And in combination, after meeting this both criteria, you have to secure at least 40 or more than 40 to get the certificate. And based on your final score, now your certificate will be categorized. So if you score more than or equal to 90%, you will get Elite plus Gold certificate. If you secure 75 to 89, then you will get Elite plus Silver certificate. And if you do a little work, then definitely you can get Elite certificate if your score is 60 or more than 60. And if your score is 40 to 59, you will get successfully completed certificate from NPTEL. So guys, you can see here, and if NPTEL will conduct unprotected programming examination, then this type of certificate you are going to get, expected certificate. So here you will get your online assignment score, so how much your score will be. And then after programming examination score, this is also known as unprotected programming examination score. And then after protected examination score, so what will be your score. If NPTEL will not conduct this examination, then you will get like protected examination, and your score will be your obtained score by 75. And then after your aggregate percentage will be there. Okay guys, so here this is Elite plus Silver certificate. I missed this gold from one score. If your score is 90 or more than 90, then you will get here Elite, and here you will get one gold medal symbol. Okay, and if your success certificate is just Elite, you will not get this medal, you will just get here Elite. If your certificate is just successfully completed, you will not get here Elite, and also you will not get this medal. The certificate will be simple. So you can see here how nicely this certificate is, and even you will get here roll number here, so anyone can go and validate your certificate. Okay guys, so your score you can see here. And this is 12-week course, The Joy of Computing using Python. So the credit of course is going to be 3. So even you can go for credit transfer, or if you need the extra credit, you go for it. So additional, even you will awarded one additional credit. So if you go for that, your credit will be for this course, and even the keyword is here. So this certificate is very much very important and very valid one. So I hope I have shown you all those details what you required for it, and I hope you are also going to follow my plan and get prepared for the examination. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please, if you like my work, I need your support. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video with your friend. I am also going to provide the syllabus video on all those remaining 6 courses So if you are following like Java courses, C++ courses, C courses, machine learning courses, then you can watch and get those all video in the playlist NPTEL information. So guys, go through the all this video and follow my strategy and get prepared for the examination. All the best. Please, if you have not registered it, go and watch the register how to register NPTEL examination video and get registered for the NPTEL. All the best, guys.